Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest JB style box. This one is my September box and my stylist Carol rocks. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have sidekicks that like to hang out with me. Harvey's the kitty. He's actually out here prowling. White is white puppy dog. Xena is the tan. We sure hope you stick around for long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating new content. So JB Stylebox is a styling service through a single store in Holland, Michigan called JB and Me. And they do an amazing job. This style box has been incredibly popular and just took off like crazy. And my stylist listens to me. Like, she's gotten to know my style. My last box was a keep all. That's how well she did. So I'm hoping for my budget's sake this one is not a keep all, but I can't wait to dig in and see what she got for me, picked out for me. All right, so first thing that I love is that they send you pictures of the outfits and how to wear them with little notes on them. And then this box is a little bit different because it is a small business, so keep that in mind. So this little card here tells you to take 5 days to decide what you want and then email your stylist to let them know what you're keeping. There's a $20 styling fee, but it will be applied to anything over $50 or more. So you have to keep at least $50, otherwise you lose the styling fee. And then it says, use the shipping label provided for anything that didn't work. If you keep 3 items or more, the return shipping will be covered. Otherwise, return shipping will be charged at checkout. All right, so it's a little bit different than the big styling services like Stitch Fix or Wantable. And then you get a return label and you get your pricing sheet. Okay, and then the bundles are always wrapped so nicely in like pretty paper. Always makes me think of little gifts. So first up, oh, how cute is this? The Aubrey Moto Puffer Jacket by Ardine Style. Like, how well does she know me? And this is light, like it's not heavy, it's light. It's got the little buckle here at the bottom. The inside is all this fun softness. Oh, this is so adorable. Little trim at the bottom. Okay. Now I'm nervous. Let's see. Next up. And I love that she puts these in outfits for you. Also, if you kept things from a prior box, she'll a lot of times pair them back to those. So this is by Steve Madden. It's the Jolene dress. Oh, that is adorable. Little tie belt. Buttons down the front. Is that buttons? No, snaps. Oh, I love snaps. So much better. I love snaps. Let's see. And I don't see any pockets. No. That is so adorable. It feels like suede. Real suede. Then we have the Boyfriend Stripe Button Top by Days. This one is very soft. And looks like she paired those with the Shy Girl Coated Espresso Pant by Days. Those are nice. They're in this nice chocolatey color. Oh yeah, those are pretty. Aubrey, do you like those? And then the last bundle. And when I first started this, they offered 2 different options where you could get 2 to 4 items or you could choose 6 to 7. I, of course, chose the 6 to 7. So I'm not sure if that's still available, but I think you can probably talk to your stylist about price points, about how many items you want, the frequency, all that stuff. Next up is by Steve Madden, the Ardine Jacket. That is cute. It's like a little pinstripe bomber. I like that. Then we have the Posy Vneck Cardigan by Ardine Style. That is adorable as well. Very soft. And then if you need sizing or anything, you can just let your stylist know if something doesn't work or you want to try a different size. My stylist is so great. She'll send it out to me right away, so if it doesn't work, I can return it in the same box. All right, so this one is the Lucy Bootcut by Liverpool. And this is coated. You see that in this black? That is adorable. She's got me all kinds of edgy as we get into fall, right? This is super fun. All right, let's get to the try on. First outfit. Okay, so I have on the pinstripe jacket, the coated pants. She recommended some shoes with it, the cute little Brahmi that I think I got in a previous box. And she said, love this pinstripe bomber jacket with the coated denim. So I agree. This is such a nice elevated piece. I think the pinstripes really add to it. So you feel like you could dress this out. It gives dress this up. It gives boss lady vibes. Snapping, I have lots of room. It is lined. And I love that it has snaps instead of buttons. Then paired back to these yummy coated pants in the boot cut. They fit really nicely. These are a size 2, which is my normal size. Yeah, I'm enjoying this look. This is such a nice transitional weight, but you can wear this into the fall. But you could also wear it now, both of these pieces. All right, so these Liverpool Lucy boot cut. These are the 32 inch. I'm wearing a size 2 in coated black, 109. But one of my amazing subscribers did use my referral, so thank you, thank you, thank you. It means the world to me when you use a referral link. If you hit like, if you hit subscribe, it really keeps me going. Without you, I can't continue to do this. So thank you, thank you, thank you for just taking a moment to use a referral or to hit that like button. So because of that, I get 20% off anything I keep in this box. It would be $87.20. And keep in mind, if you do want to give this service a try and you use my referral, you'll get 20% off anything you keep in your first box. For the jacket, this is the Ardine Jacket. I'm wearing an extra small. It is in gray. $89 is the regular price, and my price would be $71.20 if I decide to keep it. We're off to a great start. Next look, I'm just swapping out the cardigan. And she says, so soft and cozy. All right, so this is soft and cozy. I'm loving the gray cream combo. I feel like this would go with so many things. I like that it's hitting a little bit higher, so right at the bottom of your waistband of your pants. And it does have 3 buttons here down the front. Super cute. Again, this would be great for weekend or for work. All right, so this one is the Posy V-neck cardigan in extra small, and $82 is the regular price. My price would be $65.60 if I decide to keep this one. Next outfit. All right, so now we're just swapping out for this jacket. Like, do you get the feeling my stylist knows jacket season is coming and how much I love jackets? I'm getting that feeling. And this one, amazing. So she says, love this puffy Sherpa trim jacket and pair with the coated black denim pants. So that's what we're doing. This one just screams boss lady, doesn't it? I love it. So it does have this little belt here, but the nice thing about it is that it is stitched. So you don't have to worry about it coming out of a belt loop and falling out. It's stitched. So if you want to leave it hanging open, you can. If you want to close it, you can. It is all Sherpa on the inside. Feels so nice on. Looks great with the coated pants. It would look really great with denim. Would look cute over a dress. Imagine a black dress. How cute would that be? And it's nice and thin in the sleeve where you're not uncomfortable. The whole thing just feels comfy, not bulky. Just feels perfection. Here is what it looks like zipped up, so you guys can see that. So here's what it looks like zipped up. So cute. Then you could add the belt if you wanted to. I prefer to have the belt open. It's just me. Hey, Harvey Cat, what you doing, buddy? This is so adorable. All right, and for this one is called the Aubrey Moto puffer jacket. I'm wearing an extra small. It's in black. $115 is the regular price. My price would be $92. So worth it. You know I'm keeping this one, right? Next outfit. Now we've on the brown coated pants and the stripe button down. And this little vest I got in the last box, so we get to pair it with that. And she said, add a front tie for added style. She suggested a cream slide or mule bear and style with these great faux leather pants. So this is adorable. Again, I feel like I'm overpinned button downs, and then I get one that I really, really enjoy. And then I'm like, ugh, maybe I should keep it. So this is very, very soft and feels amazing on. I did the little tie like she suggested with the pants. So cute. These fit perfectly. They're by days. They're a little bit cropped here, as you can see. A great, great outfit. And then if you want to add, this is actually a reversible vest, so you could go with the puffer side or the first side. We're going to go with the first side out. Oh, and that's adorable, right? It's adorable. So for these, this little vest for my last one was $98 regular price. And then for the boyfriend stripe button down in ivory and sable, $78 and 20% off, $62.40. And then for the shy girl coated pants, I'm wearing a size 26 in espresso, $98, and my price would be $78.40. $78.40. Last outfit is the dress. She paired it with tennis shoes and a denim jacket, which would be so cute together. So it's a cute suede dress. I made it casual with a sheer, a sneaker, and a denim jacket. All right, so as been what's been happening lately, the noise is starting to kick up. So luckily we're on this very last outfit, so we can wrap soon. I absolutely love this dress. It is adorable. It is too small for me though, so it's pulling a bit here through my bum and my chest, and I think I would like it just to be a smidge longer, so I think by sizing up, that'll take care of everything. Has this great little suede belt that matches it, snaps down the front instead of buttons, which again, as I mentioned, I love snaps better than buttons. So I think I just size up one. It's going to be great. No pockets in this one. It feels so, so yummy on. Like if you're looking for a great suede dress, this is your go-to. It's going to feel amazing. And then you could layer it on, I think, with a blazer or jacket, and you're set to go. All right. So for this one, it is called the Jolene dress. I am wearing a small, interestingly enough. So I do need to go a little bit bigger. The color is cocoa. The regular price is $99, and my price would be $79.20. So for all the items, $670 is the regular price. My price would be $536 at the 20% off. I actually loved all the items. Like every single piece fit perfectly. I love the style. I love them all. I have to look at it all to see if I can keep it. But I think Carol did an amazing job. So shout out to her for really trying to make sure she takes my preferences and my lifestyle into consideration when she picks out pieces for me. In love. I'll put all the information for JB Stylebox down below in case you'd like to check this service out. I will put the items down below as well in case you'd like to check them out on the JB and me site. I can't wait to hear what you think I should add to my closet. Thanks for hanging out with me today. So much fun. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'll see you next time.